From the surge in the popularity of digital wallets to other innovative payment methods, the payment industry in Africa is experiencing a transformative shift, highlighting the critical role of data in steering this new evolution. Hello there and welcome to the highlight of the 24th edition of the Digital Pay Expo conference and exhibition here in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm David Alabi. Intermarc Consulting says it is redefining payments in Nigeria by steering conversations that explore nuances driving e-commerce, travel, retail, corporate and even government payments. Conversations this year narrow down on the role of infrastructure and fraud prevention, training and retention of talents, as well as rethinking national identity and building trust.
So the highlight for 2024 edition of Digital Pay Expo is that we're looking at how demand side affects the technology solutions. So we have new demographics of demand, Gen Zs, millennials, women, and so on. What are they requiring now in today's age that was not there before, and how can the industry provide for that?
I think on the area of infrastructure, a lot is already being done, or a lot has been done. But we just need to advance it a lot more in terms of building a resilient infrastructure across the ecosystem for both players and stakeholders in the entire ecosystem.
Next set of presentations focus on the future of payment and how big data and AI take center stage.
First is more a technology challenge. So we're talking about hardwares and softwares around different sensors. How do you collect the data? Because in many cases, it might not be possible to collect and store all these biometric data somewhere. How do you have access to it? Many regulations around that as well. But the second block is more about the recognition of the biometry. So this is again, how do you correlate the data? And how do you prevent AI anti-spoofing?
In the next 5 to 10 years, I foresee that innovation is going to take a center stage in our world. And that's going to become very critical to how we do things. So we're going to be covering, we expect there's going to be tokenization, contactless payments, open banking. This is all in a bid to ensure seamless experiences for customers and the general populace at large. You want them to have an experience that innovation has made possible.
An exhibition tour of this year's offering showcases an array of payment solutions with a major feature of point-of-sale manufacturers looking to tap Nigeria's POS boom.
We will have a very quick expansion from China to Nigeria now because we receive a lot of requirements of the factories, also maintenance centers. If we can set up factories here, if we can set up a maintenance centers for our urgent requirements from our customers. So we will try to respond to all these requirements as soon as possible. And we will have this, I think, in at least less than 1 year. Yeah.
Actually, before I came to Nigeria, I do a lot of market research. And I saw the big increasement on the post-transaction in Nigerian market, especially in merchant sector and post-agent sector. So for these two market sectors, we developed two new products for Nigerian market. The first is this one with Boost Screen. We target on the merchant side. And this with the physical keypad, we want to target on the post-agent side. And because of the market scale now is very large, so a lot of fintech companies, they face on the problem on budget management. So our product, we target on cost effective to help them reduce the procurement cost, and so they have more money, more funds to seize more market share.
A Millennials and Gen Z Payment Forum ushers in a fresh understanding of today's netizens in the evolving digital space and entrepreneurship. Also, the organizers say the Pay Innovation Pitch, a first of its kind in the Digital Expo series, aims to bridge gaps by offering young founders a platform to present innovative ideas and refine them through expert guidance, giving an insight as well into the Expo's Silver Jubilee.
In addition to what we're offering this year, it's worthy to note that this is the first of its kind, the first payment innovation pitch in over 24 years of the Digital Pay Expo. For this year, we had over 14,000 applicants, and of course, we've had a rigorous process in streamlining the finalists for this year's event. We have both founders from the male sector and of course the female sector solving the pertinent problems in African payment industry. For 2025, it's already looking very promising. We've had a lot of people indicate interest in 2025, so 2025 promises to be a lot bigger than what we have here in 2024.
Now for 2025, which is our landmark 25th anniversary, we will be driving more deeply into AI and how AI in payments now can be used to develop SDG goals. In particular, healthcare, education, transportation, agriculture. Those four are the basic SDG goals for Africa, and we want to see the impact of AI in payments to sort out those sectors in Africa.
Conversations here climax with an acknowledgement on the need to expand the frontiers and possibilities within the digital payment ecosystem here in Nigeria and Africa as a whole, and even the world at large, as user and consumer experience continue to be at the forefront of the digital payment value proposition. Well, this brings us to the end of this highlight on the 2024 Digital Pay Expo conference and exhibition here in Lagos, Nigeria. Many thanks for watching. I'm David Alabi. Bye for now.